in the corona pandemic, everyone had enjoyed delicious food prepared by your mom. Right now it's your turn to prepare something for her. So today I am here for help you out to make one delicious dish or the nutritious dish beans chaat for you. Everyone ready? Yes, let's prepare it. Now take a look at the ingredients. 1 small bowl boiled chana 10 gram, 1 small bowl boiled mud, 1 small bowl boiled moong, 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, curd with sugar, green chutney, khajur chutney, salt, jeera powder, chaat masala, red mirch powder, and for the garnishing we are using a sev and coriander. Now take a bowl and add all the boiled beans, that's our chana, mud, moong. Mix it well with the help of the spoon. Now add 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, 2 tablespoons curd with the sugar, 2 tablespoons khajur chutney, 1 tablespoon green chutney. Now mix it well. Now add some masalas. First of all we are adding salt, then jeera powder, then chaat masala, red mirch powder. This you have to add as per your taste. Now mix it well. Now it's ready, right? For the serving, we are garnishing with the sev, and coriander. Okay, now your beans chaat is ready. It is a very healthy and delicious food. Enjoy at your home. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna. Thank you.